In this video, you'll learn how to easily and quickly light your Stovax Ecodesign stove using the top-down stacking method. For best results, ensure you only use dry, seasoned logs with a moisture content of less than 20%. If you're buying your firewood from the shop, look for the Ready to Burn logo. To get started, first place 2 small logs in the bottom of your stove. Next, place 2 smaller logs on top. Building a crisscross stack of kindling with 1 firelighter in the centre. Place another firelighter on top of the stack. Lastly, light the top firelighter and close the door. Ensure all air controls are fully open while the logs catch. Once alight, set your stove to its normal running mode. For advice and instructions on using the air controls for your specific model, please refer to your stove's instruction manual. Always make sure you use protective gloves when using the stove while it's hot. Once the logs have burnt down to embers, it's time to refuel your stove. Open the air controls fully to allow the newly added logs to ignite easily. Once burning well, simply set the air control back to the normal running mode and enjoy. We hope this video has been useful and you enjoy the warmth and ambience your Stovax stove will bring to your home.